Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on a few pieces that I picked up for a trip that I have coming up with my family. Tomorrow, February 1st, we're traveling to Puerto Rico for a full month just to see some family, relax, and get away from this crazy weather that's coming to New Jersey. So I'm very excited about that. I'm from the South, so I'm used to warm weather. So this is going to be a really great trip for me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica. Hello, welcome. I do hair and lifestyle videos, and I release a series every Monday called Mommy Monday. If that's something that interests you, definitely look out for those videos. But today I'm going to show you some really beautiful luxury pieces that I picked up, and I hope you guys like them. It's only 2 pieces that I got. I already have so much stuff, so I just feel like these things are really going to complete the look, honey, and we're going to take some really cool pictures for Instagram. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I will have my Instagram link below, and so you can keep up with all of the cool places that I'm going to visit in Puerto Rico. I'm so excited about it. I don't want to continue to ramble here. I want to show you guys what you came here for. So yeah, I'm going to start off with, the orange bag, the infamous orange bag. Just to let you guys know, I'm packing for my kids and my husband, so our suitcases, it's packed. It's packed. We're traveling for a full month. Let me know if you're interested in some content, just seeing how I was able to pack. If that's something that interests you, let me know. But yeah, this is it here. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I haven't even seen them. I just, picked them up from my essay since I already have a pair. I already know what size that fits me. So yeah, if you don't know already, there's some sandals. And this is just my little receipt here that they give you. But yeah, I am unboxing them with you guys. So there's so many videos of these sandals being unboxed on YouTube, so it's nothing special. But I do keep my ribbons. I think they're so cute. I actually seen somebody wrap the ribbons around the handle of their bag, and I thought that was really cool and different. But yeah, box here. Here we go, guys. And I love that Hermes, they give you 2 dust bags, 1 for each shoe, that your shoes don't have to be in the same dust bag. I just really think that's really elevated of them, and I think that's really considerate of them, because I love dust bags. I use them for everything, and so when dust bags are so beautiful, I just love them. So just let you interested. And these are the sandals that I got here. I got white because as I was packing yesterday, guys, I just picked them up yesterday, I realized that I don't have any white sandals. And I was like, oh my God, I think white will really look good with a lot of the, the outfits that I have planned and the looks. And just on a day like today that, I just have a t-shirt and some jeans on, I think just having some white sandals on, if the weather permitted it, if it wasn't so cold here, it will look really cute. So yeah, I decided to get the white this time. Like I said, I already have the brown pair, and eventually I'm gonna go get some more colors, but I felt like white was the next step. I have them listed below, guys. These are their staple. These are such amazing sandals. Let me tell you guys, so comfortable. My other pair, I wore them out. I don't even want to show them on camera because they look beat down. I live in my brown ones, and I feel like this coming summer, just to go to the store, they're so comfy, they go with everything. And I think even though they're Hermes, I think they're very approachable. The price isn't necessarily for sandals, but I think the look of them don't really intimidate you to, I feel like you feel comfortable to just wear them dressed up, dressed down. They look good with dresses, look good with jeans. So I just think, it's a shoe that you really don't have to think about. And that's what I love about their sandals. And I have a few Chanel sandals, and I feel like sometimes I feel like they're too elevated to just wear with anything. And I just feel like these are just so approachable. Like anybody is able to wear them, and I just feel like they complete a look though, you know? So yeah guys, this is what I picked up from Hermes. So I have to pack that. I'm actually finishing up some packing now. Our flight is at 7:30 tomorrow. And so I came across this piece here. It is a vintage beach bag. It's Chanel. And I love, 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 love the color. Oh my God, the color. Guys, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but the color is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. I love it. The condition is so beautiful. And I think I'm gonna get so much wear out of this bag on vacation. It is huge. It's gonna fit so much stuff. It's drawstring here. And so it's one of those like gym bags, duffel type style. I'm going to show you guys some mod shots of like the inside of it and the detail. It has CCs all over it, little, small. It has a huge CC here at the bottom. This bag, oh my God, it's so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. What I feel like about this bag, I think I'm going to get so much wear out of it because, you know, it's a beach bag, it's an outdoors bag, and you're able to take it to the cleaners to get it cleaned. So I thought that was really cool. I love the back. I'm going to show you guys, like I said, some mod shots with it. And honey, guess what it came with? This is the piece that I was looking for to come with the beach bag. It comes with this gorgeous towel. And I'm going to show you guys details of the towel. It has Chanel's flower, the flower that they're known for, that comes on the bags that they put on it. I forget the name of that flower. Oh my God, I just drew a blank. But they always put it on their packaging. If anyone has a Chanel piece, you know, with that little white flower that comes on it. This is the actual design that's on the towel. So it is so gorgeous. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So it's huge. This beach towel is huge. Oh my God, it is gonna be so cute, honey. I love it that it's black. It's so beautiful. And it has like the Chanel like little tag here on the beach towel. I don't know if you guys can see that there. But I just thought it was so gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this, honey. This beach towel, girls, y'all ain't ready. It's huge. And the inside here, it comes with this little pocket on the inside for your phone or like a little wallet or something. So it has like two little pockets here. I think they said it was, excuse me, I think they said it was from the 90s collection. And so I have to look and see, but I got it from Fashionphile. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, that is gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. So it's got like, if you guys hear my kids, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I'm trying to record this video when my husband's in there taking care of them. Mom life, I tell you, having kids. But yes, and it's so cute. Sorry guys, I didn't record an outro. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.